So today I'm going to explain you how I can use my paragraph tags to make a paragraph inside my webpage. So let's write this. It's a word I could write. Lauren. So whenever I write Lauren, I could watch its animation by pressing tab, and it automatically generated random text for me. Again, if I write to them. If I don't like it, so, so it automatically generated text. So thing turns in random text. So now if I open that page, if I go to effect, okay, this is what it did for the show. This is my code as I showed you. Then HTML tag. Then there's a head tag. Inside this, there's my title. Then there's a head tag. Inside after that, it's body tag. Inside it, there's a paragraph tag, which is here. And now, here. Now, if I change it instead of responsive to now, there's that. So now, that's this. So you can watch it doesn't took all the space. First, the blue space is taking the head. So this is how I can create paragraphs and check my text. I can check the code by over here on the text. And this is where code injected by Lexword. So this is read by it. So that uploaded the code on our end. So you're watching it's console.error. It is JavaScript. Okay, so it's of old JavaScript. That's why it's using var and another thing. So in today's JavaScript we use lat and other keywords. So that's why it's it's used before times. So now this is how I can check my codes. And now I will tell you some tags which are used for like code, etc. Now anything I want inside it. Now I so watching it's in both. Now if I oh, now I use instead of B I would use and place tag which is used to write EN for it. Now I oh, it's also the tell now. There are some more tags. Shall I tell you? Tag. Oh, tell. And the last tag is strong tag. This is an awful. It's also so this is how I can use tags and attributes inside my tags. And if you would read in the next one, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye. And I forgot to tell you a thing. So if So now, whenever I create a body tag, so this is the one tag. Whenever I use the strong tag, you are watching it bold the text. And even though I even though I write when B, and now so I also so this and that output were same. So why does that happen? So this happens because whenever I write my code, so the both and the both tags are same. The bold tag is used for bold and strong text styles. In HTML, there's that one is important, one is not important. So in HTML, this tag is the most important one. And if we don't have these two tags, our HTML won't work. And even though I have this tag, I don't have this tag, my HTML will work. Or even though I don't have this tag, my HTML will work. Even though I don't have this code, it will work. Even though I don't have hashtag this code, it will work. Even though I don't have this tag, it will work. So this is how the important thing shows. So if I write bold tag, so it's more important in HTML. Or if I write strong tag, it's less important. And if I write italic tag, it is less important. If I write emphase tag, en, so it's more important. So that's how it works. Until now, we will meet in the next video. Until we keep learning and keep